Alibaba Coin model launched a day ago. It will claim that second intelligence model after Claude Fable 5. I am going to compare it with Claude Opus 4.8, which is one of the intelligence model in Anthropic family. If it will beat Claude Opus 4.8, then we'll assume it is second intelligence model after Fable 5. I am not only going to compare it, I will show you how you can use Qwen 3.8 for free and Claude Opus 4.8 for free as well. Qwen 3.8 is launched with a massive 2.4 billion parameters. This model is continuously evolving. We believe it's one of the most powerful models available today, compatible to leading frontier AI models second only to Fable 5. You don't have to wait and to test it. Just now, the Qwen 3.8 Max preview is available in Qwen.ai. Okay, I'll decide to test it. Does Qwen 3.8 is best model after Fable 5, or just Alibaba claim that it is the second intelligence model after Fable 5. Qwen 3.8 launched a day ago and Claude Opus 4.8 is launched 28 May. After Claude Opus 4.8, Anthropic family launched two other models, Sonnet 5, which is lower grade model than Opus 4.8, and Fable 5, which is one of the intelligence model currently available in the world. Best part, I'll show you how you can access both of this model for free. Then without wasting time, let's dive in. Here in chat.qwen.ai, you can access Qwen 3.8 Max for preview. Okay, to get access Claude Opus 4.8, wherein officially Claude website only the Sonnet 5 and Sonnet 4.6 will be available for free. Then I'll give you the best way. I have already made video in my YouTube channel where you can get access Claude Opus 4.8 for your 50 project. After the video, many of users log in and claim it. That's why it will reduce and make it 25 free credit. This is not a credit, 25 uses. It will provide 25 uses where you can build one project per uses. I will show you the demonstration here. Here I am going to select Claude Opus 4.8 and starting from here I will give the one same prompt to both of the model. I am going to starting from the simple tasks. Then we will gradually move to the harder tasks where I have give one simple prompt which is create a SaaS landing page. I only give this prompt and I want to test how much does it understand and which type of landing page does it create. I'll press it, it will start to work. If you face this type of problem with due to the high demand, then refresh it, it will work. I'm going to give simple prompt here to Claude Opus 4.8. Now both of this model are start to work. You can see it will takes only one uses. Still we have 18 uses remaining. We'll use these 2-3 uses in next tasks where we are gradually increase the complexity level and test it which model is actually best for you. Both of them are working. First they plan, analyze, then it will start to work. Okay, and main differences between these two model will be Claude 4.8 is the paid model powered by Anthropic and Qwen 3.8. Qwen is the open source model powered by Alibaba, which is the Chinese model. Currently, Chinese open source model are competing with Anthropic OpenAI and Gemini. Just 2-3 days ago, Kimi 3 is launched, which also claim that we are the intelligence model and we are able to compete with the Fable 5. Now Qwen 3.8 is also launched. Someone said that Alibaba is planned to release Qwen 4 in upcoming days. Okay, both are still ongoing where Qwen 3.8 is start to work, where Claude Opus 4.8 is also working. Both of this model are designing a landing page. After this landing page, we are going to give another task where I have prepared the prompt here where I will ask to build one complete production ready PDF converter application. If we want, we can deploy it as well. Here, Claude Opus 4.8 is complete its tasks and this is the code. This is the preview. For the better preview, I want to open it in new tab. Opus 4.8 is completed tasks, so where Qwen is still working. Let's preview it in new tab. This is the landing page. I will refresh it. Okay, this is the landing page. Okay, good. Not bad at all. From this prompt, this type of output will be awesome, where navigation is also working, where it will create pricing section, feature section, how it works, sign up, free, everything from one single line of prompt. Create a SaaS landing page only. Okay, I'm impressed with its performance. Does Qwen beats Claude Opus 4.8's performance? It will little bit slow, where Qwen 3.8 Max is just launched a day ago and many users are testing it. It is also free as well. That's why due to the high demand, it is a little bit slow. After 1 week, it will get back to its original performance. Let's give just a minute to complete it, then we will test and decide among these two which one give the best output. It will already written a 600 plus line of code. I'm hoping that it will create one awesome landing page. I think it will design a footer, means they are on the way to complete it. Now it will complete it and it will mention what will be included on this landing page. Let's see, copy it and paste it in my index.html. I'll save it and I will run it in my browser. Okay, good. Animation is also good. Okay, user review, pricing section, frequently asked question. This is also good. Expandable as well. Start free trial, footer. Oh, I like it. Both are good, but Qwen little bit better than Claude Opus 4.8, that I feel. Comment down below which output do you like. Okay, start free 14-day trial. Was demo. Yeah, navigation is also working. Good. I like it. Both performance is good. Where Claude didn't included number of user section, user feedback. At the same time, Qwen generate user feedback, number of total user with little bit animation as well. If you can reload it, then you can see this type of continuous animation, increasing animation. Let's dive into the second task. I'll copy this second task from here. Okay, and I'm going to paste it first in Qwen. After that, we'll discuss what feature that I have included. You can see 18 usage is remaining. When I'll provide it, then I think 17 usage is remaining. That I have mentioned in my previous video. You can build one project, one medium size or small size project from one credit. Now both of them are working. Here I have give from build a modern image to PDF converter web application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Requirement: everything must be included inside a single HTML file. Do not include any backend. Allow selection one or multiple image. Support drag and drop. Display. Allow removing image. Automatically feed. Support both portrait and landscape. PDF counter. Progress bar. Generate and download modern clean design. Okay, this is the prompt that I have provided. Both of them are working. When this task is completed, I'll get back to you. Okay, Claude Opus 4.8 already done this task, but Qwen is still thinking. Reason that I have already mentioned, this is launched just a day ago and due to the high traffic, it will take little bit time to complete the task. Before it, let's preview the output of Claude Opus 4.8. Open it in new tab. Okay, design is simple and clean. Browse your file. I'm going to select some of the image from my device where I will select different size of image to test its capability. Okay, you can select single image or at the same time you can also select multiple images as well. I have selected 3 images. Open it. Okay, we have also mentioned that before you start to work, first preview the image. It will preview it and it will mention that output will be presented in 3 pages. Generate a PDF. You can select a portrait mode or landscape mode as well, and you can also select fit whole image or match image. Okay, but it will see that when I have clicked on generate PDF, it will say PDF with 3 pages will be downloaded, but not download. It will only show this snack bar. It is still working. During this time, I'll give one prompt here where let's refine its feature. Main things will be not working, which is generating PDF. I've mentioned these things where we have face problem and I'm going to ask them again to refine it. I think it will be completed in just a minute. Until we have tested, this will also refine its feature. Can see pondering. Okay, Now Qwen is completed it. Again it will return the code nearly 800 line. I'll copy it. Again I'm going to the index.html, replace my previous code, paste new and go live again. Okay, it is also good. Let's select some image. I'm going to select same image that I have selected previously. Okay, 2 image, 3 image. Open. Image will be reflected here. 3 image, 3 page, A4 size. You can select the orientation. Auto means A4 size. Portrait, landscape. You can set file name from here. Generate PDF. Generated. Let's save it. Okay. Let's open it. It will working perfectly. It will working perfectly. Where we have select the orientation auto, that's why image will take the automatical size that the image has. If you can set same size of each image, then you can also set it. Wow, it will working perfectly. Now Claude Opus 4.8 is also completed its tasks and it mentioned I'll fix this issue. Let's see, does this issue will solve or not. Let's open. I'm going to select the same image that I have selected previously. Okay, this part is working where we have seen it in previous testing. One image for A4 page. You can select the orientation here, generate PDF. Okay, save your PDF, but this save button is still not working. Okay, I want to wrap up this video where we have test 2 feature. We have compared Claude Opus 4.8 with Qwen 3.8 and we have built 2 small projects. I am slightly more with the Qwen 3.8 according to its performance. What do you think about it? Put it down the comment below. Which platform do you like? And this is the 2 way that you can use Qwen and Claude Opus 4.8 free of cost for your testing purpose. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye.